Hello, I'm Efua. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 free apps or tools every YouTuber needs. They are very beginner friendly. These are mobile apps that will help you manage and grow your YouTube channel on the go. Let's get started. Let me know in the comment section which apps you are currently using to help you in your YouTube journey. So the first free app is Canva, and it's very easy to use. I use Canva to edit most of my thumbnails. You can use it on both your phone and laptop. It is really beginner friendly. You can use Canva to create your YouTube channel art designs, your end cards, logos. Also, you can make intros to your YouTube videos using Canva. The list is endless. One thing I love about Canva is that they have both the free and paid version. The free version has a lot of pre-made graphic design templates, elements, stock photos, and many more. Canva is used by most graphic designers and content creators. With Canva, you don't really need any design experience to use it to create stunning graphics for your YouTube channel, Instagram, or Pinterest. Canva is also available for both Android and iOS users. So these are some of the thumbnails I created using Canva. Let me know in the comment section below if you would like to see a tutorial on how to create thumbnails using Canva. The second free app is Snapseed. You probably already know about this app because many content creators recommend it. Every YouTuber needs the Snapseed app on their devices. The app is created by Google. This app can help you improve your thumbnails such as the color, contrast, fonts. The app has some amazing font styles. I use the Snapseed app to edit most of my photos. These are some of the photos I edited using the Snapseed app. It is a complete and professional photo editor developed by Google. It's available for both Android and iOS users. The next free app is InShot. InShot is a video editing app that is beginner friendly, and it has pre-built canvas sizes for creating videos for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. InShot's interface is very easy to use, making it simple to trim and edit your video clips. So I used the InShot app to make my animated subscribe button and bell icon. You can check out the tutorial, link in the description box. You can also add fun things like filters, stickers, captions, emojis, free music, and sound effects to your videos using the InShot app. You can also add voiceovers and preview your videos in full screen. Arts and watermarks on the videos come with the free app, which can be removed by watching a video. InShot is a great app for beginner YouTubers who don't have a lot of time for intensive video editing. It is also available for both Android and iOS users. The next app is the YouTube Creator Studio. The official YouTube Creator Studio app helps you to manage your channel on the go. This free tool makes it easier and faster to check your analytics. It helps you to see how well your videos are performing. You get to see which videos are doing well and which ones are not. With that information, you can improve on the videos that are not performing so well and double down on the ones that are performing well. You can also respond to your comments from here, and it helps you receive notifications when something important happens on your channel. There's a lot you can do with this app. You can also update your video details, monetization settings. In the studio, you can go ahead and manage your playlists and change your channel name and profile picture here. The next app is CapCut. CapCut is a free video editing app that is easy to use, and it's also similar to InShot. CapCut helps you to create professional looking videos even if you don't have any editing experience. With CapCut, you can trim your videos, add music, transitions, text and auto captions. It has a lot of advanced features. With just a few taps, you can create cinematic videos. I use CapCut to add captions and subtitles to some of my videos. You can check out the tutorial here, and I'll also leave a link in the description below. CapCut is available on mobile and desktop. It is also available in both the App Store and on Google Play. The next app is Google Drive. Google Drive's video cloud storage greatly helps simplify the lives of content creators. It gives you free access to a lot of storage. With Google Drive, you can remotely upload your video content, thumbnails, pictures and documents online for safety. Because your laptop can crash or you can lose your phone, so having a backup is very important. If you want to send your videos out for editing, you can also use the drive to send it to your editor. Google Drive also syncs with your Google account, which makes it easily accessible across devices. Google Drive gives users free 15 GB of storage, and it can be upgraded. The seventh app is Google Keep. It helps you stay organized. It helps you to organize your ideas and thoughts. Google Keep makes it easy to record plain text notes, organize, edit and share them with others. You can write your video ideas, description, content plan and a whole lot in here, which will help you to stay organized. You can also use Google Keep to make voice notes and set reminders based on time and location. You can connect and sync your notes with other Google Workspace applications like Google Calendar and Google Docs. It is available on your Android or iOS device and also in any web browser. If you would like a tutorial on any of these apps, let me know in the comment section. Subscribe for more videos like this. You can watch the content creation playlist next. See you in the next video.